5 ways a guy is crazy about you. There are many ways to make a man fall in love with you. There are even ways that he can fall in love and even want to be with you all the time. Start treating yourself more attractively to the man of your dreams. 1. Making eye contact. Looking deeply into someone's eyes can create a close bond between the two. So when you're trying to spend the day with the man of your dreams, make natural eye contact. Maybe do what you say. Make him aware of your presence and feelings with you. But don't do this for too long or she will feel uncomfortable and want to be watched. 2. Don't look desperate. Men want women who are confident and always optimistic. This is a positive woman that a man wants to have by his side. Don't let him, or he will lose interest in you. 3. Reliable. The most important thing for a man is to have a woman he can trust. You can be honest with him about all the men you've ever had in your life.
4. Support the hobby. A man is happiest when a woman shows interest in his hobby. He felt supported and not alone. Even if you don't know much about soccer and his favorite games, make time to watch games with him. He should also be your hobby, because even if you are in a relationship, you and your partner are still two different people who have their own hobbies and interests. 5. Somewhat mysterious. If you give someone attention and love, don't throw it all away. Men love secrets and have a high level of curiosity. If you want to build a good relationship, provide enough information about yourself. Let him try to find out more about you.